the starting of uh, every equal pay original is curing to the people the girl line mistaken and the boy line mistaken. All the girl line mistaken is absorbing the girl and the boy and blowing to the top of the head of the boy and blowing to the top of the head of the girl, and fixing the word of pregnant and the 10 months process and the thinking and the I equal is awakening. The girl and boy is no mistaken. And the faith healer is a man of curing. And the life is good if the original. Because the fake always nonsense. Nonsense word. No giving the good teaching. Only the power reflection of the thinking. The word of the original get far from the exactly tuning and the fake come to the exactly tuning. That's the reason cannot understanding the people. Yet because the fake people assuming original. To make sure you are the original, you must accepting the cemetery hell punishment into your body, the word of surviving, and the punishment of your original time of the 10 months process and the people. You are the original people. No mother, no father, no life, no universe. The starting off against the life. And you can hear in your thinking the original who you are. And you can speak clearly in your mouth speaking if you are the original. No reflection. Because the people, only the word of the lips singing, like the dancing. No word, only moving, and the mouth speaking. It's only the lips sing, in the word of singing. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Landing deep in. Oh. Only joke.